the Helio G96 gaming processor, 120Hz ultra smooth display, 33-watt fast charge and 5000 mAh massive battery, up to 11 GB of dynamic RAM, 50 megapixel AI triple camera, and like you can see, the best in class Kevlar design. To recap, let's take a look at the Narzo 50 product review. Finally, let's take a look at the price for which you all have been waiting for. The Narzo 50 will come in two storage variants and in two stunning colors, that is Speed Blue and Speed Black. The 4 plus 64GB variant is priced at $12,999 and the 6 plus 128GB variant is priced at $15,499. First sale begins on 3rd March, 12 noon onwards, and will be available on realme.com, Amazon.com and stores near you.
So that's it from us then.